In this video, you are going to learn one of the simplest and practical techniques in mathematics, linear interpolation. If you have ever wondered how to estimate an unknown value that lies between two known values, then this video is for you. Let's break it down step by step and make it easy to understand. So let's go with example to explain linear interpolation. If we have these values of x and the corresponding y, 5, and here 32, and 10, and the corresponding is 97. So if we have x equal 6, and we would like to know what is the corresponding y. So here, this x and its corresponding y lies between the two values or the 2 points, 5 and 10, and 32 and 97. It's very simple. So we can have this fraction here. So whatever I do from the x side, we do it for y. So here we can say 5 minus 6 divided by 5 minus 10. Do the same for the other side. So 5 minus 6 means 32 minus y, we need to find it. So we just put y here. And then 32 minus 97. Simple linear relation, just simplify it to find y. That's it. Minus 5 equal divided by minus 65. And then when you simplify this one, we can multiply both sides by 65 equal 32 minus y, and then here y would be 45. So you can solve it in different way. So again, if we have here, I'm going to just write it again, and here x equals 6, and we need to find its y. So again, you can do it 10 minus 6 divided by 10 minus 5. It is the same thing. 10 minus 6 divided by 10 minus 5. Whatever you do it for x side, you do it for the y side. So 10 minus 6 means 97 minus y. And then 97 minus 32. Simplify it. And then we will have, you keep simplify it, you get y equal 45. The same answer, we have it here. Again, the division, you have it on the left side for x. Whatever the way you do it, do the same for the y side, and then you get the answer. And also, we can use the linear relation. That's another method. Because we said linear interpolation means we have x and y, and there is a linear relation between x and y. We have 2 points here. We have x1, y1, and we have x2, y2. And in our example here, this x1, y1, and this x2, y2, we need to find the y value for x lies between these 2 points. So in this case, we can use the general formula for a linear equation, y minus y naught equal m multiplied by x minus x naught. And here m is the slope. As we know, slope, m, it is change in y divided by change in x. It's rate of change. And here we need to have 2 points, which already we have them. And we have point number 1, 5 32, and we have the point number 2, it is 1097. So we can apply this one delta y by delta x. In this case, 97 minus 32 divided by delta x here, 10 minus 5. And then we have m, in this case, 13. So for this relation, now we have m, and then we need a point x naught, y naught. So you can use any one of these. In this example, I'm going to use the second one. And here, this is x naught, and this is y naught. I'm going to just substitute it here in this relation with m. So y minus y naught, which is 97, equal slope x minus x naught, which is 10. We have a general relation. Now I need to find y value when this x is 6. That's the idea of the linear interpolation. So you just substitute x, which is 6, to find the corresponding y, and that's it. So y minus 97 equal 13, 6 minus 10, 13 multiplied by minus 4, and then y equal 97 minus 52. And y in this case, it is 45. So we have the same answer. So you see, these are different techniques for linear interpolation. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in next video.